Assam angkang along kidamtang pinnanganar ni malompen road safety weeks ke paman ponsi Assam Transport Minister Parimal Sukla Baidia methang pen thurplutsi bike ki pen road safety weeks aputhak kachirok tok asai dengponlo lason thak thaksi wangbom pen matijong ni phaikrep horni Karbiang long along ri Bokajan sub division angkang an bike pache jeng pensi Bokajan rong sopi an nang sunlo Bokajan rong sopi along arnikang sang por phai ki thomra minute like bra phok por palong ni atim Bokajan Jin Baba Higher Secondary School apen Bokajan Higher Secondary School along humri damsi road safety weeks aputhak kachirok tok pen kedoji aphan la pen kai keta kachire la pen kachisik pami pensi bike car Vegnangji pusi Transport Minister Parimal Sukla Baidia pen kachitong dun arat angnu lam jaipon Lapen kai kita ning kachibi pon vernangji ason lake bike ke vek atum helmet chikup vernangji car ke vek atum seat belt chepawur nangji gari ke vek bom hot mobile chingki ke det nangji kangri kangkrang pen gari vek ve det nangji lapen bang aphanta matha pen pachat pikpe det nangji pusi Transport Minister Pachini pen chuning ripon Labang solong ongtung arat lapen akang tuyang deng loke charli ariso ejang atum chetong dun si RDP dun si mesen pen pechun ponlo Labang so sailong Assam Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker Dr. Numal Momin District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Advisor Sanju Bora lapen kaprek ke thekiring atum chetong dun Bokajan pen ananterang Karbi Anglong Live